if you are into tech, you would have heard of open source software. But before we get into it, let's first understand what is open source. Open source is based on the principle that everything related to a project, its framework, models, and data must be in the public domain. This would help various participants not just learn about the workings, but also help in advancement of the project through crowdsourcing. In the realm of software, open source typically denotes that the source code of the said software is public. What this means is that any entity can review and in some cases edit the source code. In legalese, it is computer software that is released under a license in which the copyright holder grants users the right to use, study, change, and distribute the software and its source code to anyone and for any purpose. You might ask, why would someone open up a software, something that one has worked hard to create, to everyone for free? Well, consider scientific research. Scientists do not keep their research and findings secret. Instead, they put it out in the open through papers so that other researchers can build on it and add to a collective understanding. Open source is at the heart of tons of modern day inventions. Online maps, Google's mobile operating system Android, WordPress, and even the internet itself. Every time users view web pages, check email, chat with friends, stream music online, or play multiplayer video games, their computers and phones connect to a global network of computers using open source software to route and transmit data. Google's Android, which allows infinite customizations to its platform, is open source, and this open source nature is said to have allowed its rapid development. A bit of history here. Open source philosophy originated in the US in 1970s. Early on, developers shared their code with other developers to learn and evolve the field of computing. Early examples include Donald Knuth collaboratively designing the text typesetting system in 1979 and Richard Stallman launching a GNU operating system for free in 1983. In 1998, Netscape Communicator, one of the first internet browsers, was launched for free and its source code became the basis of Mozilla Firefox and many other modern-day browsers.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.